You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with finding the midpoint between 2 points. The midpoint between the 2 points is -10, 46. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the midpoint using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are x1 equals 46, y1 equals 44. The coordinates of point 2 are x2 equals -66, y2 equals 48. PM represents the midpoint of the 2 points. Use the x values in the midpoint formula to find the midpoints x. x1 equals 46. x2 equals -66. Simplify the arithmetic. Use the y values in the midpoint formula to find the midpoints y. y1 equals 44. y2 equals 48. Simplify the arithmetic. And so, the midpoint is -10, 46.